Right, welcome to Young Minds. The second question in motion in a straight line lesson is a car moves from x to y. A car moves from x to y. For example, to see the solution of this question like this, suppose, okay, this is point x and this is point y. Okay, a car, okay, moves from x to y with a uniform speed vu. With a uniform speed what? vu. Okay, and return to x. The same car after reaching its destination y start its return journey, okay, with a uniform speed what? vd. Okay, the average speed for this round trip is, here to see what is average speed. Average speed is equal to what? Total distance. Total distance traveled by the body in entire journey to the total time taken. Total time taken, isn't it? That means a car moves from x to y with a uniform speed vu and return to x with uniform speed vd, isn't it? So what is the total distance covered from x to y is called p, okay, isn't it? Plus from y to x, it is also equal to what? P, total distance. That means total distance, what is that? P plus p, 2p. So what is the time taken from x to y is nothing but t1. The time taken from y to x is equal to what? t2. So it may write 2p by t1 plus t2. 2p by t1 plus t2. But here there is no time term involved in this given sentence of this question. So what first you can calculate? T1 is equal to time taken to cover x to y distance. Okay, x to y distance is equal to what? It is traveling distance equal to what? X to y is a p. So p by, okay, with what velocity it cover x to y? vu, isn't it? Similarly, time t2 time taken to cover y to x distance equal to what? Same distance, y to x is say p by, but in down velocity, with what velocity with which it reaches y to x? vd, isn't it? Now substitute all the values in this equation, isn't it? Therefore average speed equal to what? 2p by t1 equal to what? p by vu, t2 equal to what? p by vd. Okay, simplify it. 2p by, take vu vd as LCM, so it may write p into vd plus p into vu. Okay, it equal to what? 2p by, from this one take p is common, p into vd plus vu by vu into vd. So this p is cancelled. Now this vu into vd go to the numerator. So what is that? 2 vu into vd by vd plus vu. So this is the required answer for this question. So this is the average velocity in terms of velocities only. Okay, right, thank you.